one thing that I admire about her is that she is very meticulous in anything that she does. She wants to be very well planned about things, and that is a really great quality to have, because I am also the same.
Yeah.
So it kind of helps that both of us like to plan things.
The fact that he knows me very well, like uh, on my expressions, with my expressions, he will understand what I want, what I need. So I think he knows me very well, and that's something I admire about him.
रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा। ओ इस रात का
मेरी प्यारी बीनू। मैं बीनू से एग्जैक्टली 4 साल पहले मिली थी, जब हम दोनों यूएस आ रहे थे। उसकी फर्स्ट फ्लाइट थी, एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग बिफोर द प्लेन टुक ऑफ, what she said was, can I please hold your hand, I'm shit scared right now. तो तब से लेकर अब तक I always make sure I remind her that हम तब जब फ्लाइट में फर्स्ट टाइम बैठे थे तब से हाथ पकड़ के अभी तक इधर आए हैं, and yeah, here we are. I am here. I never expected to give this speech at her wedding. So when we were coming here, हम दोनों बहुत excited थे, nervous थे, we were very naive. Honestly, I don't think either of us imagined we would be here right now and this close.
For those who don't know me, I'm one of the lucky people who got to witness this man's bachelor era very closely. And ऐसा कुछ legendary face तो नहीं था. This guy was such an important part of my life during Dallas, and especially during COVID. जब पूरी दुनिया ऐसे stress थी, नए hobbies सीख रही थी, बनाना bread बना रही थी. ये बंदा लाइफ की ट्रूली इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स पे कमिटेड था. गुड फूड, गुड ड्रिंक्स एंड एब्सोल्यूट फन विद फ्रेंड्स. एंड ऑनेस्टली दैट्स वन ऑफ द फेवरेट थिंग्स अबाउट हिम. No matter what was happening in life, he was always ready for a good bite, a drink, and making sure that everyone around him was having a good time too, and not taking life too seriously. So let's raise a toast to love, laughter, lifelong partnership, and this beautiful new chapter. May your marriage have the madness of welcome and the happiness of Gokulam society. Our Popat Lal is finally married. I think we should retire the show now. Yeah. But we should start a spin-off. Cheers to the newlyweds.
Thank you. बहुत सही है. Congratulations.
सज सवर के बन्नो आए, पलकों पे सपनों को सजाए, डोली लेके आया साजना। नचते नचते आए सारे
आते ही नहीं।
मस्त दिसतेस. वा वा वा. टर्न मारा चला एक. मस्त दिसतेस. चलो लेट्स गेट मॅरिड.
तेरा यार सजन आया, दिन आज मिलन आया, दर पे है खड़ा तेरा यार है, तेरे दिल के जहानों से कहीं दूर सितारों से
जोरात कर एकदम.
झालं की झालं ना. किती वेळा.
जोरात ना ऍक्शन कर.
घर की दुआएं आंगन के साए आंचल से बांधे ले जा रे, रिश्तों की डोरी नहीं हर किलोरी रख के शगुन में ले जा.
मंगळसूत्र, कपाळाला कुंकू, 15 वर्ष झाले शैलेंद्र सोबत लग्न करून. देवाचं थँक्यू.
खुश हो जहाँ भी तू रहे, तू माँ की दुनिया बाबुल की गुड़िया, तेरा आंगन दुआओं से सजे.
तेरा यार सजन आया, दिन आज मिलन आया.
दर पे है खड़ा तेरा यार.
लग्नात वाजते ढोल, वाजंत्री आणि शहनाई. विनयाला गुलाबजाम भरवायची झाली मला घाई.
I met her at her apartment after our orientation program. She was all in her Abbas Mastan outfit, white on white. When we met at her apartment, the first thing she asked me was, "Did you eat anything?" And sorry. And before me answering a yes or a no, she brought a cooker filled with khichdi and just fed me right out of that cooker. So that is her as a person. She's a mom to us all.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give
Wow.
you
खूपच सुंदर दिसतेस. I have not seen that.
या वेल ना.
Yes, yes.
darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding
मुझे
mine.
जब पता चला तेजस को हैरी पॉटर और तारक मेहता बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आई वाज लाइक दिस इज द गाय फॉर विनया, ही शेयर्स द वाइब. The first time I heard about him was when I was on video call with him, and she was blushing non-stop, and I was like, who is this guy? And मैंने instantly उसको tease किया, boyfriend, and she was blushing then. Now that I have known Tejas for past year, I can truly say that he has been an amazing friend to all of us, and an incredible partner to Vinaya, and someone who matches our vibe so beautifully. And most importantly, it is so obvious how much he loves and cares for her. Seeing you two together just makes sense. Your love feels natural, warm, fun, and full of friendship. That's such a beautiful thing to witness.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी. जो ही बदली दिल की ताल
I promise to love you unconditionally through the highs and the lows, through the boring part of life and through the fun part of life, with a heart that is yours alone. I promise my total devotion to you, protecting our peace and our future above all else. I promise to never stop choosing you, to never stop showing up, and to build a future with you that is as vibrant and as beautiful as you are. I'm excited for our next chapter together, and I love you. It's okay, take your time.
It's probably not most subtle way to ask someone to marry on second date, but that's what you exactly did. And honestly,
Hey, take your.
looking back now, I should have known that subtlety is never going to be a thing for you.
Yes.
Not gonna lie, for first few months, I wasn't sure about you. Your food choices questionable. The clothes you wore slightly concerning. Your interests, Tarak Mehta, Harry Potter, and then football. Hate that series. Never watched Harry Potter and not a football fan. But somewhere between all of that, I fell in love. Fell in love with your innocence, your maturity, your patience, your nerdiness, and the way you handle me, especially my anger. So, are you ready for a lifetime of trips, hikes, evening walks, managing short tempered Vinaya?
Too late to say no.
And,
I am ready.
and finally eating salads for lunch and smoothies for dinner.
This part I will disagree.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी
Tejas is a foodie guy, and on a lighter note, I hope Vinaya will allow him to eat what he likes, apart from salads and juices. Okay, so I can tell Vinaya that she is indeed very lucky to have Tejas is a gem of a person, and she is indeed lucky to have him by her side as a life partner. On other side, Vinaya is a organized and caring person, and I hope they will complement each other very well for a wonderful married life. Stay blessed, both of you.
वड़ा पाव का सबसे बड़ा फैन अचानक से बोलने लगा फ्राइड फूड इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ। जब तक मैं समझ पाता कि मेरे दोस्त को प्यार की बीमारी हुई है वो ऑलरेडी लास्ट स्टेज पे पहुंच चुका था और उस प्यार की बीमारी का नाम है विनाया। तेजस, अब तो सब समझ ही गए कि मैं तेरी बात कर रहा हूँ। 9 साल पहले जब हम 2017 में मास्टर्स में मिले थे तब सोचा नहीं था यार ये दिन भी कभी आएगा, पर तेजस ये दिन आ गया।
जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार कि जिंदगी यही है और यही सूरज की बाहों में किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी।
So after meeting in December, Tejas was gonna travel to India for a month or more than a month. And I was like, yeah, whatever. We did not decide that we were dating in first few months of knowing each other. And then he had to go to India for his cousin's wedding.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. I'll be fine. It doesn't matter. We have been just talking for 2 months now. But the first week that he was not here in the US and we weren't meeting, that is when I felt little void and I started missing him. And I'm like, yeah, maybe this is the person I want in my life. I do miss him. And that's when I thought, I think we should give this relationship a chance when he comes back.
That's yeah.
Was that the same for you?
Yeah, it was, but yeah, I think I completely agree with her. Like, it was also like a good way for us to know how we are when we are not together all the time, or at least not meeting every weekend or so. So I think that also that was like one more data point
I hate that word. Hate that
that
word.
I was collecting. That okay, I think we can also talk to each other and be exactly how we are even when we are like on the other side of the world. So I think that was also the same thing for me, same time for me.